Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making 1K carrot cake. So let's start with peeling 4 medium-sized carrots. Chop the ends off and finely grate one of the carrots. Chop the other 3 up into more manageable sized pieces and pour 200 milliliters of vegetable oil. Add the chopped up carrots and give it a good blitz. Next add 3 eggs and 200 grams of brown sugar. Then 30 grams of fresh ginger, then blitz until smooth. Next sieve 280 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and mix. Then slowly incorporate the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients a little bit by little bit, making sure that all the flour is not lumpy. Then crumble 100 grams of walnuts and add the grated carrot. Then give it a final mix. Lightly grease your baking tin with vegetable oil and lay in some parchment paper. Pour in the mix and give it a few taps to release the air. I actually overfilled this and I took some out before I put it in the oven. Then bake this at 180 for 35 to 40 minutes. Gently remove from the baking tin and give it a little check out. Make sure everything's all nice and sexy, then let cool completely. For the icing, we're going to add about 200 grams of icing sugar to about 20 to 30 milliliters of cream. Give that a good mix until completely smooth. Then carefully pour and spread all over your delicious carrot cake. Make sure to let it set in the fridge for a couple of hours before cutting into it completely. And guys, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. This is amazing, and I can't wait to see where this channel goes next.